Select the horizontal type tool and type your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Select the rectangular marquee tool. Make a selection around the text. Go to Select. Transform selection. You can now move and resize the selection. Unlock the background layer. Press Ctrl+Shift+J to cut out the selected area in a new layer. Place this layer above the text layer. Right-click on this layer and select Create Clipping Mask. Create a solid color layer. And pick a color for the text box. Place the color fill layer below all the other layers. And that's how you create this text effect.